game. Shout out mga old teachers ko. Shout out to everyone here that has supported me before PBB. And I also want to say thanks to the people that are now supporting me. Hey!